This is in the Santa Ana River in Costa Mesa, California. Second AquaDam is in, and we're just pumping it up now. It was a small struggle, but it got her done. The end of this dam was supposed to be on the other side of the hill, so they didn't get enough AquaDams to do their job. They're going to miss it by 30 to 50 feet, if not more. This is an 8-foot dam, 260 feet long. Santa Ana River, Costa Mesa, California. 1 mile upstream from the Pacific Ocean. The tide is out. The 265-foot long 8-footer is unrolled, and it's short. It's short by probably 40 feet. We put a little starter dam in the back here to plug the gap between the two 8-footers. This is a little starter dam. It's supporting this 3-foot high dam. This is a 3-foot by 50, 3-foot high. This is a 3-foot high by 25 feet long. The tide is expected to get just inches below the top of this dam. This is a backup dam to support this dam at high tide. We're going to put one more in after this to support these 3-foot high dams. Putting another plug in here. We got the second little plug in, which is this one. A boil underneath the AquaDam at the connection. Yeah, that's why we don't like connections. So I have to put a little sandbag dam right around this to take the pressure off of the water flowing underneath of it. So the sandbar that's growing right here, that's coming out from underneath the AquaDam, and it's just going to get bigger.